In this video, I will show you how to download and install Apache OpenOffice. Apache OpenOffice is a free and open source office software suite that includes programs for writing documents, creating spreadsheets, presentations, and more. It's useful for students, personal use, and everyday office tasks. Let's get started. The first thing you want to do is open your web browser and go to the official Apache OpenOffice website. Once the website opens, choose your operating system. Then click Download Full Installation. Once it's finished downloading, open the installer and click Next. And here click Install. Apache OpenOffice is now installed, just click Finish. And this is all you need to do to download it on your computer. If you found this video helpful, make sure you drop a like and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you next video.